A sadness, and because we are supposed to gather because of happiness to celebrate. But it's so sad that we are gathered here today because of the demise of a young blood like every one of us, whose name is Fish Magnet. Fish Magnet is a victim of the incompetence of our security. Now, excuse you, let me explain. Let me explain. Before I came here, let me just break down something. They actually wanted to stop this because they thought I am political. Maybe I want to do politics for one person against this governor or against this government. But I don't care about politics. It's not my business. We are not doing politics. If person don't die, if security there, you not go gather here. If there's security there, nobody will come here. A lot of things need to be done. So now, we are going to take a walk to Fish Magnet's office to be a very easy walk. This walk, the reason for it is simple. First of all, it's a tribute to Fish Magnet and also an awareness to the government. Some of us will be alive for years. You know this next month, if this kind of continue. Don't get insisted. Some of us for years, you know, do this next year. If you don't talk, don't think you are too precious. What happened to Fish Magnet? Some people go say, nothing happened to me in a lie. A lie. I have witnessed countless killings in my life. It's just quite unfortunate.